Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula. An effective nutritional supplement for losing weight after 40. After turning 40, losing weight becomes challenging as the body undergoes hormonal changes, and the metabolism slows down. Many people above 40 have tried everything from exercising twice a day to crash dieting, but nothing seems to work. But worry no more, as Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula is here to help. In this video, we'll review the Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula and its effectiveness in helping you lose weight and become fit within weeks. The challenges of losing weight after 40. After turning 40, the body undergoes unexpected changes that make losing weight difficult. Losing weight after 40 is harder than losing it in your 20s or 30s due to a slower metabolism, hormonal changes, and obesity. For many people, no matter how much they exercise or starve themselves, they can't seem to get rid of stubborn fat. Introduction to Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula. Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula is a nutritional supplement designed specifically for people above 40 to help them lose weight and become fit within weeks. Beyond 40 has introduced various supplements that help with weight loss and fat shedding by treating specific conditions like hormonal imbalance. These supplements and formulas are designed specifically for people above 40, considering all their problems and issues. The supplements consider all the factors necessary for weight loss and provide a formula that doesn't require you to exercise twice a day or go on a crash diet. What is Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula? Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula is a weight-cutting nutritional supplement that targets stubborn fat cells and helps shred weight by simply taking the recommended dosage. Rich in natural fat-cutting ingredients, Lean Belly 3X brings you the secrets found inside the tomb of King Tut Millennium. The formula is rich in ingredients like safflower seed oil and black pepper extract. Safflower seed oil is rich in conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, the primary ingredient of numerous fat loss supplements. CLA has proven effective in cutting belly fat. Beyond 40 has marketed Lean Belly 3X as a 10-second weight loss hack, meaning you only have to take 10 seconds out of your day to take a pill, and you'll be all set. The formula works by making your metabolism faster. Conclusion. Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X Formula is an all-natural, effective nutritional supplement for losing weight after 40. It targets stubborn fat cells and helps shred weight by simply taking the recommended dosage. With ingredients like safflower seed oil and black pepper extract, Lean Belly 3X is rich in fat-cutting properties that make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to lose weight without exercise or crash dieting. If you're struggling to lose weight after 40, give Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X a try and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching.